Welcome. Purpose of this recording is to demonstrate bidirectional sync between Google and Nextiva. For that, I have successfully logged into Nextiva Connect production URL, and here I have the calendar open. Currently, I'm not seeing any events from Google. So for that, I will go ahead and add a Google account right here. Select Google. Give me the sign in here. Just want to demonstrate that here is our Google project account ID. I'll go ahead and select my first account that I want to link. And this step will go away after we go through the verification process. For now, I'll go ahead and continue. And here I have a scope. In this particular scope, since we want to do bidirectional sync between both the system, I will go ahead and provide full access to calendar, my Google Calendar account, and then go ahead and say continue. Once this is completed, we should see a successful message at the end, the bottom here, and then we should see all the calendar from the account on the left. So here it is. Okay, so now that we have our my account really synced, I will go ahead and add an event in my Google Calendar. This is my calendar that I've already linked with Nextiva. So I'm going to add, let's say we're going to add daily stand-up event from 11 to noon today. I'll go ahead and save it, and we want this event that I just added in Google to appear in Nextiva. So it should be here. Let me there it is. So this is the event that appeared from Google for now. So next thing I want to do is let's go ahead and okay, I'm gonna make a change to event. DSU is supposed to start, let's say noon. So let's go and select noon through, let's say 1:30, noon through, let's say 12:30, and save. So this event should be also populated and adjusted in Nextiva Calendar. So here it is, noon to 12:30, they're here. Okay, so next use case is to demonstrate sync from Nextiva to Google. For that, I will go ahead and add an event. On, let's say, Friday, we have this annual summer picnic parties. Let's make this annual. I'm going to say this will be 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. from noon. And I will go ahead and create this in my Google Calendar, which is this one, and say create. And here it is, it's been created. It should be synced back to my Google Calendar. It should be here in a few more seconds. There it is, it's here. So the next thing I want to do is let's go back into Nextiva event, and typically this events are a potluck event. So I'll go ahead and rename or add a potluck to the title. We will not change the timing, and want to see if this appears and sync back to Google. So the title is updated to potluck here in Nextiva, and we should have this event updated in Google as well. There it is. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is delete the event. Right, so we had created this DSU event in Google, which we still have it here. I will go ahead and delete this event from Nextiva Connect, and it should disappear from Google as well. So the meeting has been canceled and deleted. It's gone from Nextiva Connect, and we should be gone from here as well. There you go, it's gone. Now, the summer picnic event we had created, I'll go ahead and delete that. We had created that in Nextiva Connect. We'll go ahead and delete it from Google. Just going to delete all the events, and okay. And it should also disappear from our calendar as well. Okay, thanks.